This is a marketing video for the Oklahoma tornado victims, and I'm going to be donating plush, And this is Chloe, by the way. Say hi. That was 20 plus, guys, and hope you go a long way. Hope to make a lot of kids happy. Alright, bye. Thanks for watching.